Holy shit. Death right, bro. Fuck. Okay. Okay. Chill. No? The hell? The fuck? What is it doing? Run. Just run. You're about to get one shot. Run. Kill. Jesus Christ. Run. Motherfucker! I knew he was doing that shit! He did the same fucking attack in Caelid, man. Fuck! God damn it, dude. Fuck you. Fuck you, man. Fuck you. He did the fucking exact same attack, bro. Yes, I know I can attack on the other side. I was trying to angle my fucking horse. Jesus Christ, dude. God damn it. Fuck you.